This is RV Mukhya. I would like to welcome in the tutorial class. Topic is dispersion and it is third class of the topic. Question is here, find standard deviation and its coefficient. Student, there are various methods to find the standard deviation. These are direct mean method, direct method, and exact mean method, and assumed mean method. Here I am going to teach by one method, that is assumed mean method. Student, direct method is also easier, but that makes a difficult in calculation. So I have selected here to teach you by assumed mean method. For this, all of you know we have to make the table. So before that, you have to know the formula. Which formula is that? Then you have to remember formula, and according to formula we have to make the table. That formula is standard deviation is equals to summation fd squared by n minus summation fd by n whole square, this whole in under root. So according to this formula we have to this is a formula. According to this formula we have to make the table. Let's see the table. I am going to arrange according to the formula. According to this formula I have arranged here table, and in this table here is we can suppose assumed mean A equals to, and after this we'll write here x minus A, this is supposed by D, and similarly f d, and then d square, then f d square, and finally fx is required to find its coefficient. So now we'll fill up the table. See here how we'll fill up it. 30, midpoint of 30 to 40 is 35. Similarly, midpoint of each of the group I am going to write here 45, 55, 65, and 75. Its frequency also given 2, 8, 6, 5, and 4 frequency given. Student, assumed mean almost we select the middle value of x. So 55 is here. We have supposed here assumed mean is 55. Any we can suppose. You can suppose at the first, or you can suppose at the last, or you can suppose 0. Any assumed mean we can suppose. So after this we show here calculation x minus a. These are the x column and this is the value a. So let's see here how we'll subtract it. When we subtract it, we will get here minus 20, minus 10, and it is 0, and this is 10, and this is 20. Student, after this ft is here. We multiply here. See that this is the column of f and this is the d. We multiply it, we will get minus 40, minus 80, 0, and it is 50, and it is 80. So when we simplify it, we will get summation ft is equals to 10. Simplify, add together. After this d square, here is d, and we write according to the, this is the d column, and we have to write d square means 400, 100, and 0, 100, and 400. After this we multiply f and d square, this column and this column will multiply. We'll get here this is 800, and 8 is here, 100 is here, it is also 800, 6 is here, 0 is here, it is 0, 5 is here, 100 here, it is 500, 4 is here, 400 is here, it is 1600. So after summation fd square is equals to, altogether it is 30 8 8 16 16 32 32 plus 5 is 3700. This is the summation. Yes, so here we know that standard deviation symbol is this. Formula I have already shown to you. Again I am going to write here summation fd squared by n minus summation fd by n whole square. This is the formula, and here this root is equals to this value is here. We have 3700 divided by n. N also we have to find out. N means summation f is equals to n value is 25. Yeah. After this we write here 25 minus summation f is 10. Summation ft is 10 by 25, it is whole square. This is in the root. Calculation is here. When we calculate it, after calculating all these, we'll get 12.16. You can use calculator to calculate it. After this, to find its coefficient of standard deviation, it is standard deviation by mean coefficient of standard deviation. Coefficient of standard deviation is this. So according to this, we have to find out mean, and to find the mean we have to find this fx column, and fx column is here. This is 70, 360, 330, 325, 300, and all together summation fx is equals to it is 1385. This is the summation fx. So from here we will get mean, exact mean. Assume mean doesn't work here, so we have to find out exact mean. Exact means summation fx by n. It is here 1385 divided by 25, so it is 55.4. This is the mean. After getting the mean, we can find out its coefficient. We write here coefficient of standard deviation is equals to standard deviation divided by mean. Formula I have already informed formula here. Again I wrote. So this value is here. Standard deviation is 12.16 whole divided by 55.4. When we calculate it, we will get 0.22. Student, this completes the solution. Here you have got the method. Same type of question you try again and again. You will understand it and you can do yourself. Hoping you like it, share it, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it to get the such type of solutions in your mobile set. Very important part is please visit the mathsdairy.nepal.com to get the more information of the topic. Hoping you will inform to your friends also and in your neighbor also who are really needed this topic. Thanks for watching the video.